Who else doesn't have memories of fever? Some may recover soon, while your little sister is often sick for months. After getting the prescriptions, you may find doctors' comments like immune response is weak. When searching the internet, health experts always suggest the immune system needs to be taken care of. You may have seen a report where the prevalence of immunosuppression among US adult women is getting higher as they are aged 50 to 59 years. Being a woman, is extra care of the immune system necessary? If so, what are possible measures you can take on your own? After insights from many reports, we will discuss some simple ways which cover how women can keep their immune systems healthy. But before that, let's talk about why the immune system is essential and why women need to work on their immune systems. To keep our bodies healthy, a robust immune system is a must for keeping our bodies safe from outside invaders. We wouldn't be able to combat dangerous substances that enter our bodies from the outside or detrimental changes that occur within our bodies if we didn't have an immune system. Though adult women are blessed with greater innate and adaptive immune responses than men, the research found that adult women are more susceptible to autoimmune illness. Moreover, even according to a recent study, women are more vulnerable to long COVID symptoms than men. After knowing the effect of being a woman, you may have asked without medications how you can boost up your immunity. Here are the simple ways to have women's immune systems healthy. There is no secret that to have a healthy brain, we need to maintain our sleep cycle. But do you know that to stay strong in the immune system, ideal sleep is somewhat necessary? Having a bidirectional relationship with each other, regular sleep improves the immune system. During sleep, immune system components interact, reinforcing the immune system's capacity to remember how to detect and respond to harmful antigens. Whereas, when you don't sleep properly, your immune system may not be able to do these tasks effectively and your body gets infected. Who else doesn't know about heart-healthy diet effects for healthy style? But do we know for your immune system boost up, a well-balanced diet plan is a must-have option that all women need to pay attention to. According to reports, consuming plant-based diets can boost up the immune system by reducing health condition risks such as heart disease, strokes, or diabetes. But to achieve this, you don't have to eat all vegetables always. Instead, you can add meat or fish that contain a variety of micronutrients and trace minerals for aiding immunological function. Even in the event of a pandemic, this plant-based diet will keep you from succumbing to severe diseases. Besides that, adding some fibers to your diet can add some bonus effects for supporting the bulk of immune cells. Before listing your dietary plan, just focus on few things like adding more healthy fats, consume less sugar, fill up dishes with probiotics, avoid yourselves from abusive alcohol, double-check processed foods as some link with inflammations or oxidative stress that actually result in harmful actions to the immune system. Exercise is one of the essential aspects of excellent shape, but did you know that being overweight and combined with a lack of physical activity can impair the effectiveness of your immune system? Exercising increases the activity of immune cells in circulation, allowing them to combat foreign infections more effectively. Even expert organizations, CDC and WHO, continue to advocate for regular exercise. Apart from enhancing the immune system, exercise is quite effective when it comes to mental health. After knowing, you may think about intense exercise, right? Not so fast. Overtraining produces tiredness and mental disturbances, which might delay your immune response system. Many of us nowadays find it difficult to manage our mental health. In this struggle period, your daily stress have an impact on your sophisticated immune system. When we are stressed, our immune system may be less effective against antigens, raising the risk of infections. In addition, depression that is mild or subclinical mild, or the person's immunity can be suppressed in both cases. and the possible reason may be having stress hormone corticosteroids that reduce the efficiency of the immune system. To keep the immune system healthy, there is no other choice than to maintain a healthy lifestyle that is responsible for strong immune systems. But before following any diet or doing any type of exercise, always consult your doctor. Stay healthy, keep your immune strong to beat illness naturally. That is all about today. Do you think your dietary plan is healthier than your friends?
Thanks for watching our video. For more healthy experiences, subscribe to our channel and keep yourself updated by pressing the bell icon.